My boy from Boston Bass Company out here today. We're trying to get him his first smallmouth ever on the ice. Oh, that just ticked. Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah, that's flying. Just go ahead and go. Yeah?
Yep.
Woo! Holy fuck!
Jumbo perch.
Oh my God, bro.
Choke City.
Look at that fucking thing, son. That is a giant.
The fat perch.
Oh, that's coming home for dinner. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fish and Grubs. Guys, you know where we are. Only you don't, because I don't tell you where we are. But we're out here with Brendan from Boston Bass Company. His Instagram and YouTube channel will be linked below, and obviously his channel will be up here somewhere. We came out here today to fish for some smallmouth, hopefully some largemouth as well. He's never caught a smallmouth through the ice. We're setting up shop. We just got, obviously, the giant perch you guys just saw. There it is. We're out here setting up, and this dude comes barreling out here, and I'm cursing the dude the whole time, and it just so happens to be our good buddy Lauren. So that's freaking dope. You guys probably remember him from a couple years back when we were out at this very same spot and we freaking slayed some giant smallmouth. So hopefully that's what we're in store for today. We're gonna do some jigging as well, but we'll see you out there. It's off to the side though. Yeah. Get out! Get out! Oh. Get out!
That was a beautiful fish.
I can't believe that.
Is that a brook trout?
Yeah.
That was fucking beautiful.
Yeah. Smallmouth. Decent smallmouth. Damn, Gina. Come on. Come on. Piece of shit. It keeps fucking... That's a decent one, right?
Yeah, that's a good one.
2.5. I knew it immediately that it was a smallmouth. What's this test line?
That line's like 8 pounds.
Jesus Christ, you're scaring me. Yeah, there we go. Oh, he came up backwards.
High too.
No. He fought like it though.
Massive.
Peace, homie. Got him. You gotta be kidding me. Got one. The smallest perch in the whole lake. We could put this in your perch's mouth and it would swallow it whole. I can't even lip it. Guys, look at this giant. Peace, bud. It's a giant! Off to the side this way. Yeah. Yep. Nice, dude! That's a decent one. A little bit bigger than mine.
Look at that darkness on him.
There we go. Awesome.
Later.
Sweet dude. I know, that's 2 in a row out of here. Look at that.
Yeah. You guys let them eat the shiners as they get them right there?
Yeah,
Why not? Let's get some photos of them. You want me to dunk them with my hands real quick?
PB Smalley.
You think so?
Oh, dude, I had to only catch small Smalley.
3.5 pounder.
You want to grab a scale?
Mine's a
4.
2.4. Yeah, I'll run and get my scale. Gotta call it 286. Damn it.
2.8. Yeah, dude.
Oh!
That'll cry.
Woo!
Yeah?
Yeah. The fucking wind is like blowing now and it's so crazy. Yep. Nice. There, you piece of shit. It's a healthy little fucker. Little chunk to be. Got a nice little belly on him for a little guy. Bud, peace. That's the way to do it.
Usually when you get one of
Ooh, that was nice. Oh, he wants to smell it. The day in a nutshell. Hey, at least we're catching them in the shack now. Oh, I greenhorned him.
saw him hit it.
Got him. Get out! That's a brookie, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yes! That's my first ever brookie jigged up, dude. Oh, that's epic. We're gonna keep that.
Sick.
Oh, that's so cool.
I saw that one bend over a little bit different.
That is super cool. That's dope. We set up the shack and caught a brookie. I mean, it's just a little one, but that's still decent meat. Got him that time, little guy. So fun. Oh, you little shit. Got him.
Better.
There's another one down there.
Is it shaping up to be a little bit of a honeyhole?
It is. There's another one down there. Look. Let's see if I can pull him up before I let this other one go. It's coming up on me. Got you and your brother. Same time. Yep, I'm recording. Oh, he came back up. Peace, Sanson. Yep. Still there?
Yep.
How's it feel?
Not like a smallie or something. It's not too big.
Big. Woo! Another big ass smallmouth, dude. When I look at his eye, it's huge. Dude, that might be bigger than your first one.
I didn't
Go
feel
get
like
the
it.
scale.
I got the scale in my pocket.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Right out. God damn it.
Oh,
293?
PB.
TV. Almost 291, right?
That one was 288.
288.
Yeah, 293. That is awesome. There you go. Peace, mama. Yeah, baby. Woo! Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the sun is going down behind us. We have been here all day. It's been a slow day with this giant turd. Boston Bass Company. Make sure you frickin' subscribe below and above and all that lovely shit. But man, we gave it our all. The cool thing is, with the slowness that was today, this MFer still managed to catch the two biggest smallmouth of his life. His very first smallmouth of 2020 was his PB. And then his next one beat that one by like, I don't know.
A little bit.
What was it, like 0.03? 0.0 something. But that's really cool. And then I also got my very first brook trout on the ice while jigging. Obviously missed my first brook trout. That could have been my personal best brook trout, but we're not going to talk about that. That really actually didn't happen. But we had a blast out here, folks. We're rigging down the flags. Maybe we'll get one more fish. Maybe we won't, seeing as how slow it's been, but it has been fun hanging out with this dude. We'll catch you on the next one.
You go.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fish and Grubs. Fish out!